Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how can you log out from TikTok. So let's begin our video. So first you need to open your TikTok application. Okay, now tap on the bottom right corner me option. There you can see your profile icon me, just tap it. And now there you can see this is your profile. And if you want to log out from TikTok, you need to tap on the top right corner three dot menu bar option. On the top right corner there you can see three dot icon. Just tap on this three dot and then you need to scroll down, and after that you can see a option logout. Just tap it, then confirm it. That's it. Now your TikTok already log out. So guys, in this way you can log out from TikTok very easily. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.